Hi, my name is Taylor Haugen. I'm a product expert with Fasteners Plus. All right, so today we're talking about threaded rod, also called all thread, and why it is one of the most versatile pieces of hardware that you can have in the shop. We're gonna break down the key features of it, different grades, finishes, and common applications that it's used for. So we'll start with the grades. Here we have our grade A307. This is a low strength grade, has a tensile strength of 60 KSI. And then over here we have our grade 55 threaded rod, is a medium strength rod and has a tensile strength of 75 KSI. And then over here we have our B7 threaded rod. This is a high strength rod. It has a tensile strength of 120 KSI. If you remember this one had a tensile strength of 60 KSI. So this is going to be double the strength. So this is used where really high strength is needed, something like an industrial project. And then we'll go over strength of our 304 and 316 stainless steel threaded rod. This is our 304 here, and this is our 316 here. They both have the same strength, but they are used in different applications, and we'll go over that later on. 304 and 316 are both going to have a 75 KSI tensile strength, so that's going to be similar to our grade 55 threaded rod over here in terms of strength. All right, so now we're going to go over finishes. So we'll go over the plain finish first here. Plain finish, also called unfinished or no coating. It's going to be a dry interior finish only for when you don't need any corrosion resistance whatsoever. And then the next step up in terms of finishes is going to be the zinc plated finish. This is used for very mild corrosion applications, so where only a little bit of corrosion resistance is needed, still mostly used for indoor projects. And then we've got our galvanized, so that'll be on this side for these three grades. This galvanized finish, as you can see, is a little bit rougher of a coating than the plain finish. And it's due to the process that it goes through with adding the coating to the threaded rod. So galvanized is going to be your next step up from zinc. It's going to add an extra level of corrosion resistance, good for most outdoor projects where corrosion resistance is needed. So in terms of corrosion resistance, the next step up from our galvanized finish is going to be 304 and 316 stainless steel. So these are going to be used in more wet environments. And specifically the 304 stainless steel, that one is going to be used in commercial kitchens and things like that. Has chromium and nickel in it. And then 316, what makes it different from the 304 stainless steel is that it has molybdenum in it as well. That gives it additional corrosion resistance that makes it hold up better to salt water, so better for marine environments. Get your threaded rod at Fasteners Plus.